For sketching the graphs of quadratics, we've got 4 steps. We're going to factorise it equal to 0, we're going to complete the square, we're going to sub in x equals 0, and then we're going to figure out the shape of it and plot the points on it. Now I'm going to start by rewriting x squared minus 8x plus 15 as x squared minus 8x plus 15 equals 0. And we'll go about doing step 1. So factorise it, that's going to be x take away 3, x take away 5 equals 0, meaning x take away 3 equals 0, so x is 3, or x take away 5 equals 0, meaning x is 5. Now that'll give me the coordinates 3, 0, and 5, 0 for my roots. I'll underline them because I'll need them later. Number 2, complete the square. So x squared take away 8x plus 15. If you don't remember how to complete the square, watch the video on completing the square. This will give me x take 4 squared take 16 plus 15. So x take away 4 all squared take away 1. Now to get the turning point from that, what does x need to be to make the bracket equal 0? The answer is 4, so the x coordinate is 4, and the y coordinate is the bit on the end, so the minus 1. So x and 4, negative 1. So that's important, so it's underlined. And then 3, sub in x equals 0. So I'm going to have g of 0, which is 0 squared, take away 8 times 0 plus 15, which equals 15. Now the coordinate from that will be 0, 15. And I'll underline that as an important point. And the last part I need to do is the shape. So back to the original, x squared take 8x plus 15. Looking at the x squared only, that x squared is positive, which means it's a happy face. Smiley graph. Okay, so drawing my axes. Get rid of my ruler. Now the point is 3, 0, roughly there. 5, 0, I'm going to say is roughly there. 4, negative 1, it's going to be halfway in between them and maybe about here. And then 0, 15, somewhere up here. Now I'm not going to try and stick to those. Well, I'm going to try and stick to them as best I can, but if I'm a wee bit off, then that's okay. I'll just move them. So try and get a nice smooth curve, and then the tricky part is getting the other side to look roughly the same, because it is supposed to be symmetrical. I think I've done a pretty good job there, apart from this point over here. I'll just get rid of it, move it to the, move it to there, and then that was the the y-intercept, so that's 0, 15. I know my first root was 3, 0. The second root is 5, 0. And the turning point down at the bottom here is 4, negative 1. And I'll just annotate this as g of x equals x squared minus 8x plus